Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and since it's January, I wanted to do something with garnet since garnets are January's birthstone. And then I also wanted to incorporate this brass chain, which I really love. We have it in raw and coated, and I love it. So it's what I'm gonna use for part of this earring. So here's the top, and then I'm gonna use it to here. So I'm just gonna this actually opens up right here, so I can save the rest of the chain. I don't have to cut anything. I'm just gonna open that up, slip that out, and put that back into place. And then I'm going to take my ball pen and my garnet and string that on there. And then some little brass spacer beads to give it a little bit more interest. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to put them at the top of the beads. And I'm going to push the wire away from me so that it creates an angle. And then I'm gonna take my pliers and put them in right at the top of that angle. And I'm just gonna bend it around so that it creates a nice little loop at the top. And then while I have that loop open, I'm just gonna go ahead and string on my chain. And then I'm just gonna hold this right here in the loop. And I'm just gonna coil that around a few more times until it reaches the top of the beads. I'm going to take my cutters, cut off the excess wire, and then I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm just going to gently twist that open, and then I can string on my chain. Oops, looks like I didn't get it open wide enough, so I'm just going to open a little bit wider, put the chain in there, and then twist it back into place. And that's all you have to do to make these beautiful, simple garnet earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.